Hi, this is Mike with County EMS. I'm one of our car seat installation technicians around here, and we're going to go over some common things we see that could be done better with car seat installation. The first one I'm going to talk about is the latch system. The latch system is super easy and convenient, very, very safe, as well as the car vehicle seatbelt itself. Though we don't want to use these in conjunction with each other. So if you're using latch system, don't use the seatbelt, or vice versa. The next one I want to talk about is the harness itself. So when the child is sitting in the seat, you want to try to pinch this webbing, and if you can collect webbing in your fingers, you want to tighten it up a little bit. And usually there's a pull strap right here to tighten it up. The third, I just want to talk about the car seat itself, making sure it's the right size for your child. All of them are marked on the car seat itself for easy reference.